Save your boat.
He got him for the most part.
Like that, he's growling himself. He's just got to let him push him out. Nah, see, he dug himself right in.
He's got to turn it all the way that way.
He's got to push. Jim's got to push the back out, and he's got to reverse it.
Now he dug himself in. Like he said.
Fucking brother Jim, helping out, being a nice guy to a fucking retard.
See, he's gonna bury it again. Look, watch. Yeah, but he's
trying to go forward.
He's killing it.
He's ruining it. He's wrecking it himself.
He's trying to go forward. He's got to go reverse.
He's in the sand.
Oh God! Don't hit my fucking brother with your boat, you moron. See, if he does that, he'll get it if he goes that way.
That's it. Reverse idle.
That's it. That's all he's got to do.
Now they're going back towards the sailboat.
I don't think the guy knows how to drive the fucking boat to begin with.
Now go in reverse. This is going reverse. Push the nose out. Yeah, you know what bothers me? Like, all those don't cut, none of them help.
Nope, none of them are getting off the boat to help.
It's like any dog. You cut it too short, you're going to park his way out.
Set the pound